Hello and welcome. So we are simplifying the following, writing only positive exponents for that full simplification. So a few exponent properties. The first to begin with is we have an exponent to an exponent. Our exponent property says is that when I have an exponent raised to an exponent, that is the same thing as multiplying those two exponents together. So x to the negative fourth to the second is the same thing as saying x to the negative eighth. That's all there is to that piece there. Then we have that negative exponent to deal with. Now, what negative exponents do is that they move your base between numerator and denominator. So, for example, if I have a base of x, right, and it's currently in the numerator with a negative exponent, then that x moves into the denominator, multiplying to whatever's down there, and the exponent turns positive. I'm not talking about the coefficient being negative. It must be the exponent. All right? And then once it moves, that exponent turns positive. Now, vice versa. If I had something in the denominator with a negative exponent, it can move into the numerator and then turn positive. So just keep an eye on that one. So for when I'm looking at this, we have x to the negative eighth. Well, that's currently, there's no fraction written, which means that x to the negative eighth is technically in the top of a fraction. It's in the numerator. So that negative will make it move down. So we have 1 over, because technically there's a 1 in front, so there's always going to be a 1 left behind. And then my x to the eighth moves into the bottom, and once it is, it turns positive. And that's my answer. That is as simplified as it gets. All right, there you have it. Thanks for watching.